बंदर है कम्युनिटी में एंड वी आर वेरी स्केर्ड टू सेंड आवर डॉग्स आउटसाइड बिकॉज किसको पता यार
Those things, that thing
it's in the
is
community
huge.
the camera cannot capture it. We don't have a zoom lens.
दिखाएंगे, we'll try to show it to you.
I don't want to go near.
What's poppin' people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to True Brother Vlogs. I'm Rohit.
नाम भी बोलना
Srujan. हमारा community has actually become like a छोटा zoo, you know. I'll show you the
wildlife sanctuary.
हाँ.
The
See, you see the guys. Do you see the monkey walking away there? And I don't know if you guys can hear those birds. I hate those birds. Yeah, those things very. उनका family यहाँ पे है, mom, dad, and the baby, and those things are very, 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 very protective.
बंदर आ गया. You also saw the snakes dancing over there.
Whatever, mating, dancing, whatever.
ये pigeons here. There are a couple of parrots. I saw a kingfisher and there's some.
Kingfisher is still there, very too far for this camera to capture, but
And there were
it's on the other side of that lake. It sits on the branch right across all the time.
And वो रिलेटिव तो हम दोनों को देखने के लिए है. हमारा रिलेटिव है बंदर. And
Looks exactly like us.
and it rained super heavily just now.
And I just got a parcel from US, and it was kept outside because mummy was not allowing the parcel inside for some time.
No,
So
because thank you. Right in middle of the vlog. So we took it inside only after sanitizing the entire डब्बा. उसके बाद भी
उससे पहले ना बाहर रखे थे, and it bloody started
raining super heavily.
भाग के अंदर लेके आना पड़ा उसको.
And चलो let's unbox that.
हाँ.
Not related to me but इसको बहुत useful है.
इसको नहीं, even you will like it, even you will learn from it, no? So you people will also definitely like that thing.
So wait, I'll hold you guys and Rohit will unbox this. Advantage of having two people in the vlog or two vloggers in one video. जो भी है, you unbox and I'll take.
The Alpha flight controller from the company called Honeycomb. This is been ordered by me. I've ordered this from USA. It has just come via DHL a couple of hours ago. And let's unbox it. This thing is quite heavy. This is the first time we are unboxing. I haven't seen anything in there. So, screws.
Hey, paperwork नहीं पहले. Remove the main stuff. We are here to see the main stuff.
This thing is solid.
You paid a quite hefty price for it, right?
Obviously. Wow.
And I have absolutely no idea what that thing is. I can understand it's some kind of a steering wheel.
Oh.
Good movement.
Oh.
Okay.
So guys, how is our new control column? It has not been sponsored by them. It is purchased by my own money. I have purchased this on a website online. I will share it to you. It's called YouBuy. Very, very expensive. So this is the only product I have purchased on this website. As you can see, that is the total it costed me on this particular website. The cost of this is in US it is $250, but landing up in India after taxes and customs and everything included, it is a whooping 36,000 rupees. So I'll put a link if you want to this particular control column in the description below. I don't know how many of you are into such stuff, but again, for those AV geeks out there, I would recommend. This is by far the best control column, or this is actually, they call this an affordable control column in the flight sim world. So it is very, very expensive, but again, it has got amazing reviews. It's called the Honeycomb Alpha, and I will definitely review it in due course of time once I start using it. So from my next vlog onwards, I'll be using this control column in my flight sim videos, and there are a few more stuff which I have ordered from Hyderabad itself. There's a company which manufactures custom panels. So once I get that, my complete home sim setup would be complete. That should take another 10 days max. Once I get that, everything is in place for our simulator setup for home. Mind you, these are all very expensive, accessories, add-ons for a computer to make for a game or whatever. But again, my life is flying, so why not try new aircrafts, right? If I'm home, I can learn how to fly new aircrafts. The basics of flying might be the same, but the electricals, electronics inside is completely different. And I can learn so much more about aviation if I actually have this setup. So because of that, I'm investing so much time and money in this. And if I am learning, I have a camera in my hand, I can share the screen, can record that, so I'll be sharing them with you as well as and when I learn new aircrafts. So अभी चलो ऊपर जाएंगे. We need to show you a few more things. और कोई अनबॉक्सिंग नहीं है यार. This is the only thing which got. This was like बहुत देर पहले ऑर्डर किया था मैंने, much before the lockdown. उसके बाद lockdown happened and no shipping obviously. Everything was stuck. Now अभी आज ही आया. Today is what day? Today is the 16th of June. I received this product, and chalo, we've been instructed by my mom and dad to clean up something. So a few people have actually asked about it. So chalo, we will take you there and we will show you about that stuff, and then we will continue with the vlog from there.
So many people were interested to check out the solar panels in our house, and even our parents told us to clean the solar panels because it's been very long we clean them, and electricity
सच हुआ तो नसीब अच्छा है, बारिश हुआ ऊपर जो बस जाके चेक करना है.
पूरा झाड़ू पोछा लेके आया. We'll do the sweeping company manager, cleaning company manager.
झाड़ू मारो जी.
Are which movie is that, dude? अंग्रेज में what is his character? Salim Peku, cleaning company manager.
Okay, this is the only angle I could set away. Sala, the ladder is old and it's very flexing like crazy. Chalo. Solid फटी है मेरी. मेरे पैर ना कड़ कैसा हिल रहा है रे. Once a month cleaning हम once an year करते हैं क्योंकि इतनी ऊपर आना हमारे फटना है. Jeez man. Okay, थोड़ी. अरे you'll throw that dude. You'll throw that down. I'm sure.
We have to do this once a month. Generally we keep solar panels because we want to reduce the electricity bill. अगर by any chance हमको if the electricity bill is not getting reduced, then the most probable case is solar panels में dirt कुछ ज़्यादा है, and because of that it is not accumulating the sun's energy, and there are 1, 2, 4 panels, 8 panels, 12 panels, 16 panels,
and ये
spare panels. So these 16 panels 5 kilowatts every month, and we don't have mandates for these. We directly sell them to the government, and हमारा generally वो electricity bill में आता है ना, उसमें से every month 5 kilowatts deduct होके आता है. And I'm wrong. I am Jahangir. That guy is Salim because he's not helping me. You're holding the camera like I am your manager.
laps. Let's start in 3, 2, 1.
So,
यार
I need to go take bath. हाथ गंदे हैं अभी पोछा but still हाथ गंदे हैं. Yeah, I guess everything got recorded, yeah, whatever I said, because there was lot of wind. Did you hear?
I don't know, how will I know? We'll need to go down, check everything.
Hopefully everything comes up.
बहुत ज़्यादा विंडी था as you guys saw. Now we are going down, getting fresh. उसके बाद हम लोग पानी पूरी खाने वाले हैं यार घर पे.
After like 60 days. After
60 days
लॉकडाउन कब स्टार्ट हुआ?
लॉकडाउन कब का स्टार्ट हुआ? मार्च में.
नहीं, अप्रैल डूड.
मार्च 23rd.
अच्छा, तभी उसका फंक्शन हुआ.
हाँ ना, 23rd.
90 days.
उससे ज़्यादा है. उससे पहले कब खाया अपन?
100 days रे भाई, ले लिख ले. So the next vlog will be regarding इसका flight sim, वो जो भी नया equipment आया, that thing, and bikes का loop, dude. It's been very long we have done it. So Streetable is not here. Streetable is in
The service center. Hopefully Triumph, if you listen, please do something because you're not able to resolve the problem in that. So get it done with. And
we're going to do that, and it started to rain again. Perfect time I came down and the vlog is about to end.
chill.
So until next time, we will say peace.
Love you.
We are going to end the podcast because we are going to have
Pani.
yummy pani puri after like 100 days.
Like श्रद्धा का favorite है. श्रद्धा loves पानी पूरी. Like गलती से मेरे से शादी हुआ वरना पानी पूरी वाले के साथ ही गारंटी था उसका. गारंटी.
इसमें भाई के टेबल पे 4 प्लेट पानी पूरी, 3 प्लेट पूरी, 4 प्लेट वड़ा पाव मिला हुई.
चलो बाकी सब कुछ नहीं, पानी पूरी. बाय. लव यू गाइस.